If you want to get an animated profile picture on Steam, there's one important thing to know right away. You can't just upload a GIF from your computer and use it as your main avatar. Steam keeps custom uploads static for security and performance reasons. So if you want a moving profile picture, you need to use Steam's official system. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to get an animated avatar, how to equip it, and how to switch between different avatars later. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Steam tips and guides. Alright, let's jump in. The official method is through the Steam Points shop, and this is the only supported way to get an animated avatar for your profile. First, open Steam and make sure you're signed into the account you want to customize. At the top menu, go to the Steam store, then look for the Points shop option and click it. Once the Points shop opens, you'll see a sidebar on the left. From there, click Avatars. This section includes different profile picture options, including static avatars, animated avatars, frames, backgrounds, and more. Now click on Animated Avatars. This will show you all the moving profile pictures currently available in the shop. Browse through the collection and pick the one you like best. Most animated avatars cost 3,000 Steam points, so if you already have points saved up, you're ready to go. If you don't have enough yet, Steam points are earned automatically when you buy games, DLC, or other eligible purchases on Steam. As a general rule, you get 100 points for every $1 you spend, so the more you buy, the more points you collect. Once you find the animated avatar you want, click on it to open the preview. Take a moment to check how it looks, because these avatars are what will appear on your profile and sometimes in chat or community areas, depending on Steam's current design. If you're happy with it, click Equip Now. Steam will apply it instantly to your account, and your animated profile picture should update right away. That's the main way to get the effect you're looking for. Now, if you already own animated avatars and just want to change between them, the process is just as easy. Start by clicking your profile name in the top right corner of Steam, then choose View My Profile. On your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button on the right side and click it. This will open your profile's settings. In the left sidebar, select the Avatar tab. Here, Steam shows your avatar options and settings. Scroll down until you reach the section called Your Avatars. This is where all of your purchased avatars are stored, including animated ones you've already unlocked. From this list, select the animated avatar you want to use. After choosing it, make sure to click Save so the change actually applies to your profile. And that's it. Your Steam profile picture is now animated using Steam's official point system. Remember, the key takeaway is that Steam does not allow you to upload a GIF as your main avatar, so if you see other guides suggesting that, they're not using the standard supported method. The safest and easiest option is the Steam Points shop, where you can buy an animated avatar and equip it in just a few clicks. If you want more simple tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe. And if this video helped, tap the like button so more people can find it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.